far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Me say me love you like mango. I better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Tell you what I want to need a minute of you.
Welcome back to another video. So it's Anna Jalkanis and I'm at school. So I'm just going to be doing a week in school because I did not start from the first day, and today the day almost done and I never start record. So right now I buy food for me and my friend and I come back and them away for me because them hungry, and we have Tristan coming here. I will have Sean. Big, it big, it broad. So it worth it. So we have Michaela. I do a week because you never remember vlog. I have Sabrina right here on her phone. It's actually not lunchtime, but we big and bad.
Jesus!
We big and bad, so we are eat right now. And we are eat Wi-Fi. So we are sit down and eat.
Don't worry, my phone will come.
Next tomorrow I come back to you guys. Amanda is giving Tanoya a hairstyle. So when your mother watches this, you're going to say you come to school to the hair.
Hello, mommy.
Let me see your face.
By the way, guys, go and follow her business page. She's a real hairdresser, Slayed by Pebs. I put it right there, so just click it and go get in a wig install and the fall ups or whatever on one.
Wait, I'm going to charge for that, Amanda.
Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you
So,
know.
you can't do them don't even know the price for this.
Alright, stop it.
No. If you want to know the price, contact DM them on the Instagram page. DM them.
Okay.
Guys, I don't know if you can see it. I have a little VN right there, so you know. Your VN.
Stop! My sister said,
You see
call evil.
I have a VN, guys. Guys, but here one come out. Guys, I have Tristan and Shawana right here.
Let's see it.
But them a look like them as well. They look very well. Come like in a slow-mo and a normal.
No, someone who looks like...
Now go pose it in there. Tell them to like share.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Oh, no, you got on my vlog. Guys, cut her out.
Like, share, comment, subscribe.
Can you see camera quality? Nice.
Yeah,
No,
guys.
come in at the sun.
Yeah.
Talk.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
And share the video,
Like,
guys.
share, comment, subscribe.
Send your friends, send your family.
Yeah.
Guys, let's try add my fired while my video, because don't do that. Guys, we got a pavilion. We walk to two tired. Show them on a tired face. Show them on a tired face. It's apparently like 8:30 something. And we just reached at school.
Miss everything I never come late too.
Everybody, you see traffic?
What?
Miss somebody did it with me and then she got to take
Hey
an
guys.
express bus.
Hey guys. Welcome back to our channel. Subscribe. Hey.
Not even
I wanna come now.
wake up late. Not even wake up late, but I go very late every time coming now. I come out of my house till evening. So now I come out of my house till evening. Till daylight. Light up good.
Them sparks here reach a school them time, yeah. And get more than me na 6. Them sparks.
That's how you would find the midpoint.
Miss both the bottom part like 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 and then divide by 2.
And then, yeah. So that's how you would find the midpoint. So you have the quantity, demand, one up top, and then you have the before and the after, and then bottom you have the before and the after, So you have to divide that by 2. That's how you find the midpoint. Alright. Now, I'm going to just give that as a summary before we go to a new subtopic, which is total revenue method. Total revenue method. So, in summary of what we did last class, elasticity of demand measures the responsiveness of quantity demanded to changes in price. So that's what we have mentioned in the last class, right? And we also said that coefficient greater than 1, it is
Elastic.
elastic. When it is less than 1, it is
Inelastic.
inelastic. So since a rising and falling price over a segment of the curve, here are 2 different coefficients. This is solved by using a midpoint. And this is what I was saying about using midpoint formula. So you can use different formula to find the PE as well. Now, the sign preceding the coefficient is important because it reflects the type of good. Or we're talking about the sign. And we say about the sign.
The negative sign?
The negative sign. So a negative sign implies that the good is normal. And remember I told you in the class last that sometimes they drop negative. Right? Now, I want to go back to what you were confused about. I want to go back to what you were confused about. With the 1.2. The 1.32.
Miss, that was Petrina's problem.
Ah?
Petrina, Miss, they have a problem.
One Petrina?
Yes.
Yes, right. Alright, so everybody, see how they get the 1.33 now?
Yes.
1.2. It's 1.2.
No, Miss. No, Miss. Miss, we said 1.33 and she said 1.3.
That's right. You know what I'm talking about, ladies
No,
and
I'm looking
gentlemen?
at my book.
It's
See the
what
funny
I put
boy?
here in the calculator.
See the funny boy?
Let me get a calculator.
I would have said 1.33.
Yeah. So,
No, look on the board. No, look on the board. Say not the same. You not the same. What me say? No 1.33 is up on the board. What you see?
listen, guys, listen. What was it again? It was 1/3 and a third. Divide. No, okay, do it.
At 0.33 divided by 0.25. Exactly. One word is a good. Make it 33.3. Let's add the difference.
Yes. Come on, say 1.33.
0.33 divided by 0.25.
Is this different from? Is it different?
No.
Hold on, just answer it different?
No.
Hold on. So when you divide this by this, what do you get? Put it in the calculator.
No. Finish. I'm going to my
Yes. And now we're finished for the day because Wednesday is early day, so yeah. We are vlog.
Maria one taxi and it's now like 6:35 or so. My friend is just not that spicy, so it's not really pumped. I was going to make sure. But yeah, if I'm supposed to go, I said go to more, just go early today. So, yeah. That's that. Plus my camera is shaking. So,
This week is all about.
I say last topic are the cash basic and them something there. So you call me like Mrs.
yes, we are TikTokers, right?
Jump, then you go,
Oh my gosh, it's my girls, guys.
No, me not look good this.
It's the last day of the vlog, and when you can see this, I'm going to leave today. This is not here. Come here, well, nice and neat. because today is Friday. Yeah, that is all of my white stuff. Shouldn't be wearing that, but I'm doing it. Yeah, I think that vlog here maybe like 10 minutes because I always like to look a bit of time and I make little clippings. But guys, I'll be posting the TikToks that we made. They're real funny and they're real nice. I'm waiting on a taxi and my father is over there. Ooh! Yeah! And the car them a speed. And I know me I get a taxi but they are coming friend. But it look like she know wake it. So now watch this. It look like saying wake I'm go ready before you first. We're going for a taxi. I will join a long line and see how quick we can get to school. I want to reach school early today. Come have a class early. I'm gonna want more than my name to register. So yeah. I look pretty. No taxi now. Just reach school. No, but just reach school. I'm gonna check my work, see if I can get them right and stuff. I reach school like after 8, so. I changed my hairstyle today, guys, because today's Friday and I'm in white socks. You want to hear me tell you about guys before food?
We could have done a side chick thing. So, what's that? Secret lovers, that's what we are. Wasn't that at the beginning?
Yeah, no, I don't know that song.
You don't know Secret Lovers? No. The biggest side chick song. But oyster, I remember oyster.
I don't know oyster.
I remember though.
Eh?
If it's a person like my parents away, then make
Eh?
it if it's a person like my parents away, you have to
Candies, you have to follow me to the Chinese place today.
This is the end of the vlog. Why my face looks so fat?
remember to like, subscribe and comment, share, tell a friend if you come over our natural candies.
And we're out, guys. You always just say something. Who this call me?